him.
Hey!
See, madam, see, no God is sneeze this thing for you. In fact, madam, madam, let go before I use this thing break your head. I break it, let go. Oga.
What on?
Where your paper?
My papers.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Well, I say something to worry you for. I say give me papers. You go, you carry this thing. They give me. No, you no get sense. Okay, give me paper, also. Ah, someone.
Yeah, this one paper. No mind that guy. Yeah.
You get sense, I beg. Yeah. See paper. Next time you come here, say paper. You give me papers.
No problem.
As you tell the door, the place say no, you get this matter. Eh?
Officer, am I not the one that paid the papers?
I got no mind.
It's my car.
No mind because so you be better person. If you send this guy, if I dey here till tomorrow. Ah. Now, madam, be that.
No, na my masquerade.
Now your masquerade.
Don't come they ask me the papers, so.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So now don't give me papers. Make I say on a boat, make on a take the go. Do fast.
Good again.
No go open boot.
I just settled you right now.
Now paper you pay for boot.
Okay, no problem. Okay, baby, come out.
I'm open, I'm not nothing there. Make I just see what's in there inside.
Officer, come now. Come, may we check and may we dey go beg.
Sister, nothing there inside this car now.
Open this thing.
Now just my bag, they say.
Hey! I hear me, buy me.
Agbaji gamuso nazo wewe mere agbaji gamuso nazo wewe mere
Jesus! What?
Baby, you just need to calm down. Just calm down. Please, baby. Just get me down my bag over there. Yeah, the transparent one. Down my bag.
No.
Baby! Baby! Chris!
Jesus,